Hi everyone. In reality, I don't really know if we all really use all functions. We all have our preference and non-preference. And surely, maybe because we have more easily access to the upper function than to the lower function, which are far in our function stack. We use mainly the function 1 and 2 and also 3 and 4, even if we don't prefer the 4. But how to know if I use the 5 and 6 unconsciously, NE and TI, by switching the energy introvert-extrovert of my function 1, NI and 2 TE, or if I simulate them by using Ni plus Te, or if I use N and T in the perfect middle between introvert-extrovert. But the two last functions, 7 and 8, because they are far, I don't know if we really use them or if we trick this lower function with our main stack, the first function. If I use Te plus Fi to simulate Fe, or if I use Fe, I don't think I use Fe, at least not naturally or not primarily. I think I need to switch to my unconscious side, mine, ENTP, something we can control, I think, except if we drink too much alcohol or have too much stress or emotion, create chemical perturbation with alcohol, drugs, lot of stress or lot of emotion. So don't do it, it's not good for your mental health and physical health. How to know, for example, if I use Si my function 8 or if I use Ni plus Si to simulate Si. Or rather, we have easily access to the function 1, we use it directly, instantly, naturally, without thinking about it. We are guided by it, we even loop it. Function 2 and 3, we need a little time to access to them, take a little time to use them. Function 4, we use it without realizing it because it functions with the 1. It also takes us time, we need more concentration, time to use it well. Function 5, 6, 7, 8, even further, we use them or we simulate them. Or 80% of time, the 4 first function, and 20% of time, the 4th last function, or 90% of time, the 4 first, and 10% of time, the 4 last. Who have right? Where is the truth? I don't know. How to really know? Will we really know one day? So take care of yourself. Have a good day or evening.